IPA. I'm sorry. IPA is just...
I am not
I like pale ale.
into
I like draft beer and IPA. How about pale ale? Highball, yay!
not actually making that much.
I'm crouching.
Was it cold?
No, yeah. Not in the good thing.
Not that thing.
IPA is so bitter.
No, I didn't cry.
Why would you cry?
Yeah, I didn't cry.
She's crying.
No, I know.
Tallulah bullied her.
I'm not. Either, right? Such a bully. Feels exhausted, man. Because I cooked for like a long time.
When did you start eating?
1.
I streamed at home for 8 hours and I was exhausted. And I was like, I didn't do shit. I was sitting on my ass for 8 hours.
Also because the hours you're streaming are ridiculous. Girl, you start at like freaking 10. I'm on my way to bed and you're going live. I'm waking up and starting my day.
我半夜开台。He just picked it up and I'm like,
I don't have.
You don't ditch me tomorrow. You wake up. Oh no, you go to bed, you wake up. I'll call you. I'll Facebook call you. Wake up, bitch. 1 p.m.
I'll fly.
1 p.m. Max.
I am the one who always.
Or I can come. I can deliver coffee. I could if you want. Just let me know. I'll do it. You know I will. Just say the words, girl. I'll be there.
And then it drinks really fast.
I'll be there with 3 espresso shots.
So like when I had to drink, then yeah, sleep cabin, like a sleep cabin.
she's so tired. Let her sleep. Who? Me? Her?
So like
Don't get your
not too awkward.
Don't do Tallulah?
I know baby's vampire lifestyle. But I did promise chat, so I've got to do it tomorrow no matter what. I really like baby to be there. And I know she would enjoy the day. So we just have to get her ass out of bed.
I drank it
That's the
up. I
mission.
don't want to get too drunk. And then like so and then at like 9.
And then I'm gonna force her to bring me to hot pot.
Where are you
That's the
going?
plan.
And then I'm like, I gotta go.
Yeah.
Oh, it's gonna be
Because I've never been, and that place you said was good, so
It's so early.
Really? No.
I am.
No. Okay. It's meant to be better tomorrow.
I guess no rain is gonna be good.
Like
I can wear short sleeves because it's just so rain.
Yeah.
If it's raining,
Well, IRL streaming when it's raining,
下雨了，这样子。
it's really uncomfortable.
I mean, Thailand weather is always raining.
Like humid, really wet.
No, almost always raining. But then like cold
12% here. Last week drank 16% here, and you do not want to know the end to that stream. I like